We're starting a new mechanical fabrication project, and usually when we start these projects, we spend a bunch of time setting up lots of different 3D views that isolate different model categories such as ducts and various piping systems, and then viewing that data in different ways, both with links and without, and doing that for whatever different levels are in the project. And this process can take a little time. So we set up an automation where we can select from the levels in the project which ones we want to create views for. And then when we click OK, it's going to go ahead and process all of these levels so that we get views that isolate the different categories that we want to see for each of those different views, while also creating some overall views. It takes a few minutes to run, but if you take a short coffee break and come back, we have all our views set up, 55 views in total, where if we scroll through, you'll see that there are a bunch of overall views that isolate ducts, all mechanical, and pipes by different systems. And it's doing the same thing for each level, where it's creating a bunch of different views with different templates applied that allow us to isolate different categories of elements for each level. And then each of these levels have a section box applied that is the full extent of the associated level, where it just looks at the 3D extents of the level and sets it to that. And the script also looks at the names of the levels and abbreviates them down to L1, L2, L3 for however many levels there are, so that our view names are nice and tidy.